Dear students, already we know luminous objects emits light of all possible directions, each direction with a straight line. The rays represents various paths along which light is traveling. These arrows what we called rays of light. Define rays of light. A ray of light is straight line path along which light travels. Light emitted by luminous objects travels in all directions. Dear students, suppose rays of light from these fluorescent bulbs fall on the surface, it reflected the rays. The reflected rays travel along a certain path. Let us consider one plant surface. Suppose one of the rays strike on this point. That ray is called incident ray. We know surface reflected the light rays. The light rays travel in this direction. Why travel in this direction? Why not here and here? This is because the rays of light obeys laws of reflection, strikes any surface, and draw the perpendicular line at the point of incident is called normal. Here we saw two laws of reflection. Angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, normal, and reflected ray all lie in the same plane. The first one is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. What is angle of incidence? Angle made by incident ray with normal. It is denoted I. And angle of reflection. Angle made by reflected ray with normal. It is denoted R. The first law says angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. I equal to R. The incident ray, what kind of angle that is also having reflected ray? Suppose incident ray down the track and also reflected ray also down. It is first law of reflection. Then second law of reflection is the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Incident ray, strike at point and reflected ray normal all lie in the same plane. See one small experiment. Suppose the reflected ray here having means it is not possible. Incident ray and normal is having plane but reflected ray not having in plane. It is violation of the second law. It is not possible also. Reflected ray always having this direction only. We know I equal to R. I hope you are understand this law of reflection. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection and the incident ray normal reflected rays lie in the